People gonna wanna reach out and touch real quick. Get back. Not today. Listen. Okay, listen y'all, listen. I'm giving the looks. Listen, I cannot stop smiling with this wig, y'all. I can't do it. Plus, I laid this joint. Listen. Woo! Okay, let me get myself together. Okay. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie Rashon. Today's video is brought to you by Outre. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. As always, before we get into the install, the specs, and what I think about the unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
I had been grinding for weeks. Had I survived when I could barely speak, barely eat, on my knees.
But that's the moment you came to me. I don't know what your love has done to me. Think I'm invincible, I see through the me I used to be.
You pain my whole life.
Don't know what you're doing to me with your love.
I'm feeling all superhuman. You did that to me. Superhuman heartbeat in me. Nothing can stop me here with you. Superhuman. Strong, since I've been flying and righting the wrongs. Feels almost like I had it all along. I can see the power.
Where every problem is gone because I flew everywhere but love inside of me. It's unbelievable to see how love can set me free.
Pain my whole life. Don't know what you're doing.
Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Outre. It is a brand new unit by the name of Solstice. This is what her card looks like. I got her in the color 1B and she does retail under $30 depending on the site that you get her from. This unit does come in some specialty colors, so if you want to check those out, you can, but there may be a $2 to $4 upcharge depending on the site that you choose. This unit does come with HD lace from ear to ear, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. This unit is big head associate. It is not big head friendly by any means, and that is normal for this collection with Outre. Normally for the eye part collection or the straight back collection, it's not gonna sit on my hairline because my temples be screaming, okay? I can't do it. I can't do it. But as you saw my put down, I did try. Initially, I was gonna rock her on my hairline. I even cut the V into my parting space. I did the eyeliner trick with the excess lace. It just looked real weird. It just wasn't giving the looks, okay? And y'all know I need the looks. I need the looks. So I decided to go ahead and push her behind my hairline. I bumped out some of my hair from under my wig cap just to give it more of a natural look to hide the lace. And then I sprayed her down right here in the middle to make sure she was secure and melted and flat. And then I put my night eraser right there in the parting space to blend that all together. I like that a lot more. It gives it more of a natural look and it flows better with the actual hair. Some of you guys may not, you know, like the baby hair adult swoops that I got going on, but I think it actually looks really good with this unit. I think it makes it look natural, okay? You guys know I have a thin hairline, okay? So if my hair was all pushed back right now, my forehead would look even bigger, and I don't feel like it would give me the look that I wanted. Leaving the hair like this, kind of swooping the hair like this, kind of gives me the look that I want, and I'm here for it, okay? It was very beginner friendly, so if you are someone who doesn't want to do a whole bunch of work with your unit, you can definitely try this unit or a unit like this out and be just fine, okay? Now this is a high-tech fiber unit, so it is heat safe up to about 400 degrees. I did use warm heat on my unit just on the top here, because if you use hot heat on this unit or a hot comb on this unit, it will definitely change the texture of the unit. The way the unit is sitting is giving more of a natural blowout type of look. If you put hot heat on this unit, it's going to kind of silken the hair out a little bit and make it look a little bit more sleek. If you want that look, by all means, you can do that, okay? You can straighten this joint out and go on about your business. If that's the case though, you might as well get the unit, the revamped Annie. I feel like that would give the look of this unit straightened out. It is shorter though, okay, so be mindful of that. But if you want, you know, that texture, Annie will be the way to go, in my opinion. The hair texture is very, very soft. I did try her sister unit Soleil a couple months back, and Compared to that one, this one is not giving me dry. I could rock this unit all day and be just fine. It is a lot of hair, it's kind of big and flowy or whatever, but it's not stiff, it's not like clumped together. It's giving off a very breezy, airy type of look. I really do think this unit is gorgeous. Y'all know I like big hair, okay? I like big hair and I like a natural looking texture. So both things together, I'll take it every time, okay? I'll take it every time. Listen. It's nothing crazy going on with this unit, and it doesn't need to be, okay? Summer is around the corner, okay? Neck's about to be sweating. With the ventilated cap, my scalp can breathe. I can do some styles with this unit. I can pin it up off my neck if I want to and give some looks. There was a unit like this that I tried on my channel back when I first started my channel, like within the first year. I think her name was Chevy. What was her name? But I put some little twists in the joint like this, and I just twisted her on down. Just imagine, just think about the possibilities of this unit if you wanted to spice her up a little bit. You could do a braid out on this joint, dip her in some hot water, you know, go like that. Like, y'all, you could do some looks with this unit. Look at the twist, look at the twist. Listen, okay? Now, I did get a little bit of tangling down here on the ends, but nothing crazy. Shedding wise, I am getting some shedding with this unit, so be mindful of that. Let me show you how this is looking on my scalp. Y'all see how this looking? Did I do it justice? I'm pretty sure, where's the wig? I'm pretty sure that's the wig right there. Pretty sure that's the wig. I can't even tell. I can't even tell. I don't got my glasses on either, so that may be a reason, but but still, y'all, like, listen, okay, listen, this looks good. Look at the ponytail. I didn't put the sides down, okay? Look at the looks, listen. Look at the looks I'm giving, listen, okay. Not everyone's gonna like this, I understand. But for me and my scalp, okay, I love it. It's giving what I need. This is definitely a head turner, okay? When you walking down the street, okay, giving the looks, people gonna wanna reach out and touch real quick. Get back, Charmaine, not today, okay? Not today, listen. Shout out one more time to Outre for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put some direct links down below, so you guys want to check this unit out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.